how to create high quality voiceovers with the help of an AI for free. In this video, I will show you how to create high quality voiceovers with the help of an AI for free. The platform that I will be using today is known as Murf AI. Murf AI is a versatile AI voice generator. The link for Murf will also be given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now. You guys will have to sign in to your Murf. So this is our Murf Studio that is available. With our Murf Studio, we get different templates as well that we can use to create our ads, to create our videos and more. Today, I will show you how to create a high quality voiceover. So you're going to go to the My Project section on inside your Murf Studio. To create a brand new project, you're going to click right here. Now we have to give our project a name. So let's go ahead and call it My New Project. So the type of videos or audios that are available on Murf, we have e-learning modules, we have audio ads, we have podcasts, we have presentations. Let's go ahead and create a video from the scratch. So I'm going to click on Start Blank and click on Create Project at the bottom. So here we are now. This is our Murf editor or a studio where I will be creating my video today. We have import script. This is where we actually import our script, or we can also type in the script here. So the first step is entering your script. So you can go ahead and import a script from here, or you can type in your script. So I'm going to quickly do that. Once you import a list from your computer, we can select split script by sentences. So I'm going to go with sentences. This is really good for your video scripts, dialogues, or short scripts. So I'm going to do that. Click on import script and it will be added. We have our script ready and it is divided into sentences. You can double check, read all the sentences that if they're aligned right. At the bottom right here, we have our time frame given that will show me the total duration of the video. Similarly, I have duration for each dialogue here. This is going to be the voiceover. Then we have a section for the video, and then we also have a section for an additional audio or a music. Now we actually have to select our characters. So we have the voice given, which is going to be a default voice. I'm going to click right here. Now this is the voice that I am working on. Here we can actually go ahead and customize our search with our language or an accent. So I am actually going to go for English, and which is going to be US and Canada. And then we have male or female. So I'm actually looking for a male voice first. And then we have all age groups. So I'm actually looking for a young male. So let's actually hear some voices. We can test some voices before we select them. So you can play the voice to see how it sounds, and then you can just select it. So I'm going to select Mike as my first character or my first voice. I actually have 3 characters for my script. So I'm going to go ahead and select my second one, English, and then we have like a young female, this one right here. And I'm going to select the voice. Now I'm going to go ahead, add another voice. So now I have my voices. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and add different voices to different sentences. I know that, okay, this is going to be another character according to my scripts. Once you have added the voices, then you can select a voice, more settings. So if I have one paragraph or an essay and I want just one character to read it, I can just click on apply voice to entire project. Now I can actually go ahead and select the pitch of my voice. Select right here. Then we have speed that will allow me to set the speed. Then we have add pause. If you feel like your voice is speaking way too fast, you want to add some pauses, then you can go ahead and add, or you can also add a custom values of seconds. Moving on, we have these 3 dots right here, and it will give you the option of move down, download audio, duplicate, pronunciation that will allow me to actually add a pronunciation of a word I feel the character or the voice is not pronouncing right. Move up and move down means that I can actually go ahead and adjust my voices according to my script. Let's say I want this voice to be right here, so I can just simply drag and drop. So once the voices are edited and you feel like the script looks good, you can just go ahead and listen to your script overall. Hit play at the bottom and it will assemble my script for me quickly and give me a preview, and then we can actually do more settings.
Our environment needs us.
What do you mean?
It is time we think highly about our environment and climate change and do something about it.
So you can see how good the voiceover sounds, and you can select a voice from here as well. If you want to arrange them, you can just go ahead and do that from at the bottom. So now we have add media. From here, we can go ahead and add media to our video that we are creating. You can add different types of images or a video for which you are creating the voiceover, and the video will be added right here. You will get a preview. So click on add media, my uploads, and choose a file. I have already uploaded some videos. I'm going to go ahead and choose them. Select the video, click on add to timeline, and the videos will be added right here. And now I can go ahead and arrange the videos as well or edit them out. Similarly, we can add music. We can select any music or sound from stock music available. Select the music and you're going to click on add to timeline. We can also filter our search with different categories available here. Since the music is added and we also have a voiceover, we still want the focus to be on the voiceover, what our voices are actually saying. So for that, we have the option available, which is volume mixer. Click on the volume mixer and it will give you the voices right here. I'm going to increase the volume for the voices. Just get rid of any voice that is in the video, and then also decrease the voice for my music, the volume for my music, so that it's just in the background. So this is what it looks like now. We have our video ready. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and get a preview. Lifelike voiceover that I created for free using Murf. We also have a voice changer option available. If you want to drop any audio file or you have a voiceover already created and you just want to change the voice, you can do that with Murf for free. Similarly, we have video settings available as well. Click on the video settings and it will allow you to select resolution and the layout. We also have captions and subtitles available for the voiceovers that we are doing. So this is what my video looks like. Once your voiceover is ready, you have created the video and you're satisfied with the voices, then you're gonna go ahead and click on export. There are different download formats available on Murf. We can download a video as MP4 or MIRI, and then we have voice only, we have voice plus music, or a script. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and download it as a video. Click on download and my video will be exported in minutes. And this is how you can convert your text, your scripts into videos with lifelike voiceovers using Murf AI. Murf will help you save time and money. Go ahead and check it out right now. The link will be given in the description down below. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.